Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise number 2.3. Exercise 2.3. And question number first, student, firstly I will solve. So, question number first is saying, student, find. What find? There are two parts are given, student. In this question, I will solve only first part and second part you will solve yourself. So, first part, student, is saying 1 upon 4 of A 1 upon 4, B 3 upon 5, C 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. This is the question, student. And you know, student, half means multiply in mathematics. So 1 upon 4, half 1 upon 4. So student, how can we solve it? How can we solve it? Student, 1 upon 4. Right, question has same. In first step, 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4. And student, I have told you half means multiply in mathematics. So 1 upon 4 into 1 upon 4. And student, in previous exercise, you have known how to multiply of two fraction. Numerator to numerator, I have told you already. Numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So we get 1 1 ja student 1 and 4 4 ja 16. This is my answer. Means you can say that 1 upon 4 of 1 upon 4 will be 1 upon 16. It's my answer. As same student 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. B part, for the B part, same as question you will write 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5. So student, half in mathematics you know, half means multiply. So 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 5, where you will see in the mathematics half, OF, on the place of half, you will use the sign of multiply. So 1 upon 4 into 3 upon 5, you get a student 3 1 ja 3 and 5 4 ja 20. It is the answer. Means you can say 1 upon 4 of 3 upon 5 will be 3 upon 20. As same student for the C part, in first step you will write as same question 1 upon 4 of 4 upon 3. 4 upon 3. That will be student 1 upon 4 into 4 upon 3. Sorry student. Numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator you will multiply. So 4 1 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12 student. It's my answer. If you want to write your product in simplest form, then you can cancel 12 by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. That is 1 upon 3. It's my answer. It's 1 upon 3. This is 3 student. 1 upon 3. So student, I hope you have understand question number first part, and as same student you will solve the second part of this question. So second part is homework for you. Second part of first question is homework for you. ये आपका होमवर्क है, आप इसको करेंगे. So come to the next question student, that is the question number second. Question number second is saying student, question number second is saying multiply and reduce the lowest form if possible. Firstly, I am writing the question, student. Multiply and reduce to lowest form if possible. अगर लोवेस्ट फॉर्म पॉसिबल है प्रोडक्ट का, सो मेक द लोवेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट. एंड स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन इज मेनी पार्ट आर गिवन. आई एम टेकिंग द फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड लास्ट पार्ट एंड रिमेनिंग पार्ट you will do yourself, student. 2/3 into 2 whole 2/3, and last part means 7 part, student, of this question is 4/5 into 12/7. So student, how can we solve it? Student, you are seeing that in both parts we require to multiply of the two fractions. So student, you are seeing that we have 2/3 into 2 whole 2/3. Student, you are seeing that first is a improper fraction, sorry student, proper fraction, and second is a mixed fraction. You require to multiply. So student, if in any question you are seeing the mixed fraction, so my first work will be to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction. पहले हम इसको improper बनाएंगे. How student? You know how to make the improper fraction from mixed fraction? First fraction we write as same into, we multiply denominator to whole number, and in product we add the numerator. So 3 2 is student 6, 6 plus 2, that is 8/3. Now student, you are seeing that this is the proper fraction and this is the improper fraction. So we can multiply easily numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. We get a student 8 2 is 16 and 3 3 is 9. Now student, you can make it simplest form? No, not by any number. We can cancel 16 and 9 both together. किसी भी नंबर से हम 16 और 9 को एक साथ डिवाइड नहीं कर सकते, बट we can write in mixed fraction, in the form of mixed fraction. How can we write it in mixed fraction form? We divide 16 by 9. 9 1 is 9. 16 minus 9, 7. And you know very well how to write the mixed fraction. 1 will be whole number, 7 will be numerator, and my arrow has stopped at the last point 9. So 9 will be numerator, denominator, sorry student, denominator. So this is my answer, correct answer. And as same student, we solve the last part, 7 part. We have 4/5 into 12/7. So student, you know this is the fraction, and both fractions are not written in the mixed fraction form. So we multiply directly numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 12 4 is student 48 and 7 5 is 35. In any table 48 and 35 is coming. No. So student, you can divide 48 by 35. So 48 48 divided by 35 1 ja 35, 8 minus 5 3 and 4 minus 3 1. So you can write in mixed fraction form, that is 1 whole 13 upon 35. This is my answer. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well, question number 2. And remaining part of this question means 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th part you will do yourself. That is your homework. Means 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th is your homework. As same. According to these two parts, you will solve remaining all parts. It's your homework. So, come to the third question, student. And third question, I same the question number 2nd, student. But some part of the question number 3rd, I am taking here. So, student, third question is saying, third question is saying, student, multiply the following fractions. Multiply the following fractions. This question has many parts. I am taking only two parts, first and last. 2 upon 5 into 5 whole 1 upon 4. 5 whole 1 upon 4. And last part means 7 part of this question, student. 7 part is 3 whole 4 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. So student, according to question number 2nd, as same you will solve the question number 3rd also. So we have 2 upon 5 into 5 whole 1 upon 4. Student, I have told you, if in question you are seeing the mixed fraction, firstly make the improper fraction, after this do according to question. So 2 upon 5 into 5 4 ja 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 1 21 upon 4. Now student, you can multiply easily numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, that is 21 2 ja 42 and 5 4 ja 20. 5 4 ja 20. You can cancel by 2. 2 10 ja 20 and 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. 21 upon 10. This is the simplest form. But if you require to write in mixed fraction form, then you can divide 21 by 10. So student, 21 by 10, when you will divide, you get 10 2 ja 21, and like this you can write in mixed fraction form 2 whole 1 upon 10. This is my answer. This is my answer, student. As same student, you will solve the question number part 7 of this question. So I hope that you can do this part also very well. Firstly, change this mixed fraction, improper fraction, 7 3 ja 21, 21 plus 4, 25 upon 7 into 3 upon 5. Now numerator to numerator multiply, denominator to denominator multiply, and get the product and write in mixed fraction form, write in simplest form. So student, question number 3rd is very easy. You can do yourself. So come to the question number 4, student. Question number 4 is important, student. In question number 4, student, we required to find the in two fraction which is greater and which is smaller. But student, question is saying which is greater? Which is greater? Which is greater? Question is saying, I am taking only one part, student, of this question. First, 2/7 of 3/4, or in middle r is given. It means in middle we can make a box. Means in box we require to fill up greater or smaller symbol. And second part is, student, 3/5 of 5/8. So student, firstly we solve it and we get one fraction. After this we solve this part and we get the one fraction, and at last we compare. We can compare, student. So 2/7 of means multiply 3/4. So student, how can we multiply? Numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 2 3 ja, student, 6. 2 3 ja 6 and 7 4 ja 28. And 3/5 into 5/8. We get, student, 5 3 ja 15 and 5 8 ja 40. Now student, if two fraction is given and you need to find which is greater and which is smaller, so firstly we make the same denominator, or you can say that we multiply by the denominator of the second fraction multiply in the numerator of the first fraction, and denominator of the first fraction we multiply in the numerator of the second fraction, and then we compare. So student, 40 into 6 we get, student, 40 into 6 we get 240. 240 is below of 6/28, and 28 into 15. 28 into 15, 28 और 15 का मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. 5 8 जा 40, 4 is carry, 5 2 जा 10, 4 14, 1 8 जा 8, 1 2 जा 2, 0 8 4 12, 2 1 3, 3 1 4, 420. We get 420. Now student, now you will compare 240 and 420. Which is greater, 240 or 420? You will say that 420 is greater. 420 is greater. So the mouth of the sign will be a side of 420. But 420 is in the below of 15/40. And my question is, we require to fill up the sign of greater smaller in this question. This is my question. इसमें मुझे बताना है कौन सा बड़ा कौन छोटा है. So student, you can say this is greater and this is smaller. So easily, student, you can say, you can solve this question. Means you can generate a formula. If this is A and this is B and this is C and this is D, then you can say if A into D, this is formula, student, if A into D is equal to B into C, A into D is equal to B into C. But if A into D is not equal to B into C, it means one fraction is greater and other is smaller. Okay, student. So you will give your solution like this. I hope student you have understood this question very well. So student, in second part of this question, student, second part as same you will solve 1 upon 2 of 6 upon 7, 2 upon 3 of 3 upon 7. Firstly we solve and we get one fraction, and after this we multiply the denominator of the second fraction in numerator of the first fraction and denominator of the first fraction in numerator of the second fraction, and we get one whole number, and we compare this number, and which number is greater that will be greater and which is smaller that will be smaller. और जिस फ्रैक्शन के नीचे जो नंबर है वो फ्रैक्शन ग्रेटर होगा, जिसके नीचे छोटा है वो छोटा होगा. That's all student. In this way student you will solve this question, remaining part of the question number 4. So student, I have solved question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 in this video, and question number 5, 6, 7 and 8 are word problem type question student. So these word problem type question student I will discuss in my next video. So thank you student, thank you very much.